What is going on, my fellow friends that are looking to move to Sarasota? Today we are going to be sharing with you this model floor plan here at Cassia Skye Ranch called the St. Thomas model. Now once again, the builder is Taylor Morrison. Now what's unique about this floor plan is that it is a single level, and I know a lot of you have been looking for that single living style. And so this video is definitely for you, but ultimately what I love is just basically the simplicity of the St. Thomas model, right? It is not hard to navigate. It's a simple, easy floor plan, and I want to go have you guys check this out for yourself. But first, whether you're ready to move in 9 days or 90 days, that is our specialty. We are here to help you make the move as smooth as possible from wherever you are all the way to Sarasota. So if you have any other questions, whatever it may be, I'm more than happy to answer those questions for you. So with that being said, let's jump in and let's show you the St. Thomas model. Welcome to the St. Thomas model here at Skye Ranch. Before we get started, if you have not yet checked out all the other models, go click that playlist up above and I will be giving you a tour of all the models throughout Skye Ranch. Skye Ranch is made up of two different parts, Cassia at Skye Ranch and Esplanade at Skye Ranch, which in total are going to have over 1,200 homes. Skye Ranch encompasses over 1,000 acres, including 100 acres of lakes, 387 acres of preserves, and even over 25 miles of solid walking trails. And if schools are a top priority for you, Skye Ranch is located within A-rated schools, including Lakeview Elementary, Sarasota Middle School, and Riverview High School. Another top selling point in Skye Ranch is that it is a natural gas community, which is very hard to find in the Sarasota area. So if you love to cook with a gas range, then this is definitely a community for you. Now that you know a little bit about Skye Ranch, sit back and enjoy the rest of this St. Thomas tour. So now that wraps up today's video about the St. Thomas model. Now, I hope you guys got a great idea of what this floor plan has to offer you. Now, once again, this is one of the few single level living that they do offer here at Cassia Skye Ranch. If you guys like this, let us know. If you guys have any questions, whatever it may be, I'm more than happy to answer for you. My content confirmation is here as well. But once again, this is our specialty. Whether you're ready to move in 9 days, 90 days, we are here to help you. We help out-of-state buyers just like make the move the smooth as possible from where all the way to Sarasota. And it may not be the St. Thomas model. It may be another model. It may be already a home that is on the market. Whatever it may be, we are here to walk you through the steps all the way. So with that being said, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach me. But until next time, I hope to see you guys all on my next video.